I'm Chris Williams and I'm the founder of Chatta. I'm going to show you how to get started with the software. You can access the Chatta software in a computer browser at app.chatterlearning.com, or on a tablet or smartphone you can download the app Chatta Learning from the App Store or Play Store. You can contact us and we'll create a username and password for you, or if you prefer, you can set up your own straight away. Just click sign up now, enter your email address and details, and you'll have immediate access to the software. I'm going to log in. From the dashboard, you can access your content and create new content. In the software, we call the Chatter boards, the Chatter storyboards, chats. To create a chat, you'll need to create a folder. Call it whatever you want. And from your folders, you can create a chat. Click create a chat, give it a name. I'm just choosing animals. At the moment, I'm just going through some steps to get started with the software, so really just playing with it. I'll click continue. I can choose a layout. We go up to 6 frames. I'm going to choose 4. And that's the Chatter board. I can add images to each of the frames by clicking the plus icon in the center. I'm going to add 4 different pets. I'm going to search the internet. Images in Chatter are filtered for use in school and copyright free. I'll click search the internet and I'll just go for a dog. I'll choose a dog and then I'm going to click the next frame and I'll choose a cat. The next frame I will go with a hamster. And finally, I'll go with a goldfish. You can move the images to slide them out of view if you choose. So you could prepare your Chatter board and slide images into view. I went to the pet shop, I saw a dog, I saw a cat, I saw a hamster, I saw a goldfish. If you want to record your voice, there are buttons on each frame to let you do that. The first one is one for the teacher to use, the adult. Dogs like to run in the park. And that will play back. Dogs like to run in the park. You could delete it and re-record, but it will save automatically. Later, when we're looking at how to teach with Chatter in the classroom, I'll explain some of the ways you can use the second recording button on each frame. And this really is best when the pupils start to use it to record their voice. If you want to reorder the content in the Chatter board, you can click the pencil icon at the top and click order, and you can move them around. So maybe you go for order of preference, or you might be going for the order of sequence you saw the animals, or you're just playing with it. So I'll just jumble them up and the sound stays on the image that you've recorded. So that's how to make a really quick and simple Chatter board. I'm going to do one more and then encourage you to do the same. I'm going to go for favorite foods this time. I'm going to go back to my dashboard. I'm going to go to my folder. I'm going to create a chat and I'm going to call it food. I'm going to imagine I'm having a 3-course dinner and I will add 3 foods. I will have soup. I will have chips. And I will have ice cream. Again, if you want to record, you can. For my dinner, I had soup first. Next, I had chips with salt and vinegar and tomato sauce. Finally, I had delicious ice cream. Any content you make in the software saves automatically, and you can access it from any device that you're logged into. You can also share the content by clicking the share icon at the top of the screen. That creates a link that you can copy and paste, and you could share it with friends and family, colleagues, whoever you wanted to do so. You just copy the URL. And that's how to make a Chatta board. I'm just going to show you the Chatta community. Again, from the dashboard, the small icon at the bottom of the screen, which says community, has lots of pre-made templates that you can use for examples, for inspiration, and to duplicate and make your own to use in the classroom. So I'll click community, and there are lots of folders of content on various topics, but you can also search. So if I just start with early years, EYFS, then there are lots of examples that you might want to look at. So for instance, a traditional tale, Jack and the Beanstalk, you can click. You can hear the words that have already been presented on here as an example, as a model.
Once upon a time, there was a boy called Jack.
And you can also use the template yourself. Click use the template. Choose the folder you want to add it to. Click confirm. Continue. And that can be completely edited. You might want to delete the voice that's already been recorded, so you could record your own, which I'm doing now. And if you're using this in the class, you may want to slide the images out of view so that you can present them as you tell the story, as if you're turning the pages in a book. Once there was a boy named Jack, and he grew a mighty beanstalk, etc. So I do encourage you to take a good look at the community and explore different topics. You might be doing something on space, you might be doing something on animals, you might be doing a particular genre of writing, you might be looking at instructions. Non-chronological reports, explanations, whatever you want to do. Here's an example of instructions. It's a recipe making bread. So we click that, you can see the example, click use the template, select your folder, choose my folder, click confirm, and that's yours to edit as you see fit. So that's a very quick and simple introduction to the Chatta software. I'll show you just once again how you might make one of the Chatta boards. Go to your folder. You can make more than one folder to organize work into topics or classes, whatever you choose. I'll click create chat. I'll click continue. I'll choose a really simple layout. I didn't name that chat. It's gone with today's date, but you can edit the name of the chat in the pencil icon just here. You could change the name. So I'll just put so imagining things that we might do at the park, or if we've been to the park, things we enjoyed. I can press add to add images. I can use photographs from my device. We do have a big bank of images in the Chatta community, so you could click Chatta community and search there. Or, as I showed you before, you can search the internet. So have a play with the software, make a few chats of your own, maybe put content in linked to your favorite foods, places, holidays, movie stars, whatever you like. And when you go through the next part of this training, we'll look at how you can use the software to teach your pupils and to really strengthen their storytelling, explanation, and oral composition and description skills. So do get in touch if you need any help at all. We're happy to take you through all of the steps and enjoy exploring the software.